28th.
It's the 28th of May. We've got a new calf and the pond has completely gone because it just doesn't seem to rain anymore. Not enough anyway. Which is quite ironic. It's very ironic, isn't it, really? It is jet black, isn't it?
Heifer, I think.
A heifer? Are we naming any cows from this year? So far you think we might have got 2 heifers, which is unusual because normally we have all bulls. Who's next then, Dad? Who's going to calve next? So here we have Flossie. Hello, Flossie, with the F. And here's Doris. We bought Doris some nuts. She's definitely perkier today. She looks brighter in her face. But blooming Willow gone and pushed in. But it's good to see Flossie looking well.
D, this baby D or that baby D?
This baby D. Hey Dee, you definitely look better today, girl. She does look better, doesn't she? Hey Floss. Hey Flossie. So we've been feeding her for a week, and finally today is the first day where she's actually coming to us rather than being run after. Hey girl! Bambi! She's still not 100% sure, she's sure. Good girl! Do you know how to feed a lamb?
Yeah, but she's I think she's again.
So in my experience, the best way to bottle feed a lamb is to reverse park them into your body so they can't back off the teat, and put a hand on them as well to make them feel supported. So at night when they sleep with their mum, who does she sleep with? Nobody.
Sometimes.
Nobody. Good morning and welcome to Saturday morning. Just having a look around the calves and the sheep. We've got the 2 calves from this May here. Today's the 30th of May perhaps. And we've got the sheep over here. They moved on to some fresh grazing this week. That field's been having a rest, so they look very content and peaceful. It's been a very, very hot weather week and we're getting very dry now. Dad has been taking double bowsers now of water on a trailer and pouring the water into these ponds here, which feed 2 troughs, one either side. I think about 4,000 litres twice a week. So for the hay and for the land and for us, we would like some rain now, please. Doris is over there. She's been recovering from a bout of mastitis and she seems much better. She's over there. And little lamb group under the tree. Everyone looks all right this morning. You can see the nice light shadows over there. Very peaceful at this hour. Still not 6 o'clock. So in the Sunday Telegraph, here it is. Dale Farm, getting a little feature. Hopefully it'll get us some extra business. Oh, you naughty boys and girls. Tracy. It's 7 AM, it's the 2nd of June and we've had a very hot spell of weather and we really do need rain now. But perhaps tomorrow the weather's going to change, so for today I'm going to enjoy the sunshine and make the most of it. Just enjoy how beautiful everything is. She smells so good.
I spotted these whilst out walking. They're called eggs and bacon because of the colour. And then I just wanted to finish with a shot of some cotton grass just up on the moor behind Dale Farm, and to say thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, which was quite calm. See you next time.